Let's focus now to another round of breaking update coming in. This is news from West Bengal, where Kolkata Mayor's OSD, the news reports coming in, has been booked. This is an FIR that has now been registered against Firhad Hakim's OSD, and the Kolkata police has gone ahead to register the case after Abhishek Banerjee's office has complained. This is the complaint over the case of identity theft. Kolkata police, meanwhile, registering a case against the OSD of Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim at the Shakespeare Sarani police station. And this is being said that the OSD has been identified as well, and the complaint has been registered by the office of the TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee on charges of using his name and scamming people. Pooja, good afternoon. What are we hearing? Why has been the Kolkata Mayor's OSD booked?
Well, as far as this complaint is concerned, it is very, very important who is registering the complaint, because the allegation is against the Kolkata Mayor and Minister Firhad Hakim's OSD Kalicharan Banerjee, and the allegation is that he used to drop the name of Trinamool General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee's name and used to scam people as far as several schemes are concerned. It could be Swasthya scheme, it could be Lokhir Bhandar, and now what we're given to understand is that in the last couple of months, a lot of these letters and complaints were received at Abhishek Banerjee's office, and after going through the complaints, the complaint was registered at Shakespeare Sarani police station, and now it is for the police to investigate the allegations. But clearly, the complaint here has been registered by Abhishek Banerjee's office, and the allegation is against Trinamool Congress leader and Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim's OSD Kalicharan Banerjee.
All right. Has Mr. Firhad Hakim himself given any reaction to this over his OSD being booked?
Well, absolutely. We've just received his reaction, and Firhad Hakim has gone on to say that he was unaware of his OSD indulging into such malpractices. Had he been aware of him engaging in such activities, he would have himself gone to the police and registered a complaint. But at this point in time, he has decided to distance himself from the OSD and has gone on record to say that he wasn't aware of his OSD indulging in such malpractices.
All right. So complaint on using the name, as far as even when it comes to identity theft, that has been the allegation that has now been leveled from Pooja. What happens from here on? As far as the OSD that has been booked, what happens from here on?
We need to understand that this complaint is coming from the highest position of the party, because Trinamool Congress General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee's office is, looking into these allegations, because his office had received these complaints over the last couple of months. There were a lot of these letters that were received at his office. So last night, the complaint was registered from his office at Shakespeare police station. Now police will verify whether these allegations are proven against Firhad Hakim's OSD Kalicharan Banerjee or not. But clearly, the kind of statement that the party is making is that there will be no tolerance, absolutely zero tolerance towards the party leaders and people who work for the leaders, because this OSD is known to be working for Firhad Hakim. He is the OSD of Firhad Hakim, who is not just a mayor but also a Trinamool Congress leader and minister in the state. So now we'll have to see what the kind of investigation that Kolkata police does as far as this case is concerned.
Updated on the same. This is a case, a complaint over identity theft that has now been registered against, when it comes to by the Kolkata police, against the OSD of Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim's OSD that has now been done by the Kolkata police itself. Pooja, thank you very much for the moment for joining in.